going to be doing, like I said, the dual cut song challenge. See how long we can do it for. Okay, so let's do the challenge! Right,
I just elbowed him in the head.
But that's not going to work.
okay, so that was spoiled, but comment how many times we did it, if you even watched the video, and like and subscribe.
Yeah.
We are do the challenge! We blew you.